Press the Yo button. Unlock Seoul in 90 seconds. Picture this. You land in Seoul, neon reflections on the river, steam from street food stalls, and your superpower is a tiny sound. In Korean, add yo to sound instantly polite, like a magic please sticker. Power 1, the yo button. There's no separate word for please. You attach it. 주세요 means please give me. Point at the skewers and say, 이거 주세요. This one, please. Bite, smile, then 맛있어요. 맛있어요. It's delicious. Quick tip. The vowel EO sounds like in sun, so gonjang isn't a word here. Just remember EO equals 완잖아요? Good? 괜찮아요? 괜찮아요? Doubles as you okay and it's okay. Power 2. The reaction rocket. When something blows your mind, K-pop dance break, view from Namsan Tower. Go 대박. 대박. It means awesome. Jackpot. Big wow. Parrot. 대박. 맛있어요? Boom. Instant local vibe. Power 3. The invisible subject. Korean loves context. You can drop you at a cafe corner. Just ask, 카페 어디예요? 카페 어디예요? Where's the cafe? No need to say it. They'll get you. Bonus charm. When you clink glasses, say 짠. 젠. It's the sound of a toast and the start of friendships. Mini drill. Repeat after me. 이거 주세요. 이게 주세요. 맛있어요. 맛있어요. 괜찮아요? 괜찮아요? 대박. 대박. 짠. John. That's your 90-second Seoul starter pack. Tap the Yo button and doors open. Subscribe for another ultra-quick Korean spark tomorrow.